Hello, welcome back to our Bali videos. Today we've actually got a guided tour taking us to the North Bali UNESCO Heritage Area. It's going to be a whole day. It's 7 o'clock now, we're just getting picked up. And we're going to go to some of the first stops. We've got some oats to take with us and a coffee, because we have no idea how long the drive will be, because it's North Bali, I assume quite a way. But we're really excited for today. The weather's lovely. And yeah. Let's get going.
Ready to go. 3 stops. 4 stops? 3 temples.
As many
and a
as we
waterfall.
can fit in the day.
And of course, you know it, a coffee plantation.
Which we will have to skip because we've done coffee plantations. So we've arrived at stop number 1. We're in a place called, I'm gonna get this right, Mengwi? Sorry if I butchered that. And the name of the temple is Taman Ayun Temple, and this is stop number 1. And it's really quiet. Our drive was like, it's not too much of a touristy place compared to some of the sites of Ubud, which is quite refreshing for us. It's nice to be like the only people here. So we're gonna go have an explore now. Straight away as you come in, there's a sign saying no drones, so that's out of the question, but we'll go for an explore with a GoPro anyway. Yeah, looking good.
So we just finished our first stop round a UNESCO heritage site.
Yeah, this was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2012 or something, and it's Taman Ayun Temple.
Which translates into beautiful garden.
And it is beautiful. It's really beautiful. The statues, the plantations, it's really nice. I've had a really lovely time looking around it.
And it's super quiet, like there's no tourists.
So quiet. I mean, we have come super early, but it's still like just full of local people. We're the only tourists here, really.
Tourists and motorbikes.
Loads of motorbikes. Why is it always motorbikes? It's been really refreshing though to like be around local people rather than just tourists all the time. So that's been nice.
And my skirt.
Jake's got a lovely sarong. Looking good. So we're at location 2. We've just paid 75,000 per person to get in.
They have card machine, which is good because we don't have 150,000 rupiah.
In cash. We didn't expect it to be that much, but we have just come through the entrance and it is stunning. We're in Patang, I think, and this place is called. Can they read that?
If you can read it. I can't pronounce it. Puka Pulan.
Anyway, this is embarrassing from us, but it looks incredible. It's another temple. We're just gonna go explore now. There's another sign about no drones, as expected, but...
No drones anywhere, I don't think.
So this has been absolutely stunning. Our guide told us that the lake next to this is one of only 5 lakes in Bali, so it's really stunning.
It's a bit more crowded than the first spot, but it's a lot more beautiful. So
it is, yeah. It is
kind of worth it.
But it's still nowhere near the levels of crowded that we've experienced at other places on this holiday, so we're still pretty happy. We are a bit hungry now, so we're going to see if we can try and find some food somewhere.
Hopefully market satays.
We fancy the satays you can get fried from like a local market. Whether that's possible or not remains to be seen, but we'll try our best. That's really what we're craving right now. So our driver told us that there was no food markets nearby.
Really helpful.
So we have come to the restaurant that's just outside the beautiful temple that we're at, and we just decided to have an early lunch because we're pretty hungry. It's just gone 11 o'clock, so by the time the food gets here...
And an early dinner.
Yeah, and then
probably
dinner as well. But we've ordered this fish and sauce with some rice, veg, and then it came with an iced tea as well. The iced tea is incredibly sweet. I don't think I can drink it, to be honest, but it was a package deal. I think the whole meal's gonna come to like £7.50, £8, so not bad.
not bad.
And
Hopefully it's tasty.
Yeah, we are halfway through the stops now, so a good time to pause for food, I think. Lunch was so lovely. We really enjoyed it. The fish was so good.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was really what we needed right now. We found out that the fish that we were eating had literally been caught and cooked from the river that we were sat
The lake, yeah.
The lake that was in front of us, which is pretty cool. So it was super fresh and local, which is nice.
Super tasty and tender.
We're just gonna go back and find the driver and then head to spot number 3.
So, in a very unexpected turn of events, our tour guide has gone missing. We've been walking around for about 20 minutes now trying to find him, and we cannot. There's no locals that know him. Like, nobody around here is any help on finding our demander. If you're watching, we've been trying to find you for ages because I know you subscribe, but I don't know where you are, and it's a mystery to us. We've walked around the compound like twice now.
Just can't see him anywhere.
He's
It would
literally
just be
gone
good if
missing.
somebody knew who he was.
We've messaged the person that we booked through Airbnb.
We've tried to ring him a few times.
Yeah, it's just not showing. His name's Demander. If you've seen him, let us know. So we just had a pot of tea at the most lovely lunch place. They had a buffet there.
Incredible views over this rice terrace. We're at Jatilewu.
We're butchering the names.
Always.
They're terrible.
That's what I'm good at. And we just tried rice tea.
Red rice tea.
Red rice tea. I really liked it. You were
It
less
was
of a fan.
Interesting.
Interesting is definitely Drake's word of the holiday.
Yeah.
If he doesn't want to say something's not his cup of tea, it's like,
It was weird.
it was interesting.
Literally not my cup of tea.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna walk around the rice fields now. There's loads of walks. One's 30 minutes to 45, an hour to an hour and a half, and there's a super long
All the
one.
way up to like 3 hours.
Yeah, it's crazy. Look.
They're like
Anyway.
this is the biggest rice terrace in Bali.
The whole of Bali, which is crazy. So we're gonna do the shortest one because our driver is gonna wait for us.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, hopefully get the drone up here because there's no signs, no silly
Saying
signs.
no drones. First spot of the day with the
Yeah.
drones.
Meg just had a genius idea. We just got the drone up, we just finished with those, taking those shots, and we stumbled across a kind of like rice crisp seller.
They had free tasters. That sold us. That's the way to our hearts. So we picked up some different things. These ones are like rice chocolate. They're like covered in cacao powder, I think. And then these, well, we did try them and they were delicious. These one are Jake's favourites. These were spicy ones.
Yeah, they're like spicy
They
Watsits.
kind of had a spicy kick at the end. Like,
Really spicy.
but he liked them, so.
Because they're like Watsits.
These ones are rice with soybeans. And we managed to get, he started off at like 20k a bag. And I talked him down to 40 for the 3.
I think what we've learned in Bali is everything is a deal. There is always a special price.
That you've just got to work out what the special price is and what deal they can do for you. And then there's always one. So we're happy with these.
Yeah.
We've got some little snacks for
The way
a
back.
few days. Yeah. Hopefully it lasts us a bit longer than the journey
Probably
home.
won't.
We'll try.
So we're at our 4th and final stop for the day.
Yeah.
It's actually beautiful.
It's incredible.
It's a temple in the ocean, and the temple dragons breathe ocean water, which cleanses people, which is really beautiful.
It's absolutely stunning. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. Like it's all on a cliff, like surrounded by rocks. The landscape is incredible. If we could put the drone up, it would look unbelievable, but we're not allowed to.
They've banned drones at temples. Unbelievable, really.
So we can't do that, but yeah, absolutely stunning here. I really love it.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, so just have a look around and then head home.
A goosey gander, and then back for Dins
And
at
there's something
sunset.
called a holy snake over there, which sounds like Jake's absolute worst nightmare. So
I don't hate snakes.
I don't know what's going on over there. Well, he does hate snakes.
It's a money-making scheme.
So we finished our tour, went back to the villa, dropped some laundry off, our normal laundry place.
3
saying
days to turn it
A
round.
3-day wait. So we've had to find somewhere else.
I've only got one pair of pants left
We ended up basically in someone's house and
because
them
the
telling
laundry
us
was closed.
very informally that to come back tomorrow at the same time and that they'll just remember my name and it'll all be okay. So that remains to be seen.
Yeah.
But now we're out for some dinner, so
At Sunsung Warung.
which is one of our favourite orangs on this
For delivery.
trip so far. So it'll be good. It will be good. It's an absolute travesty. We love them, so everyone else also loves them, and they're full, and there's 3 tables waiting. So we're gonna go and try and find somewhere else, which is really disappointing, but I guess it's an opportunity to try somewhere else, isn't it? Trying to be positive in that, but found Ulundanu place looks really lovely.
Yeah.
It's more expensive, but still not like silly prices. And it was on a little side road. It's quite quiet. We've got a really nice table. It was like quite busy, so it's given us good vibes. I've gone for pork satay with brown rice and like this green long bean. They call it like sambal mata.
Butchered it again.
In a new episode of Megan butchering Indonesian words, and you went for
Mee goreng.
classic Jake.
Good food.
So we had a really lovely dinner at that place. It was so good, really good vibes. The food was delicious. And we're gonna end the day here. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could help us out, that would be amazing. And give the video a like. And we will see you in the next one. We think we're finally gonna do the rest of the waterfalls that we wanted to do in the first waterfall video. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully we'll see you there. Bye.